Hey guys and girls, in this video we're gonna take a look at the best smart home devices. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the smart home devices in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to join our community Telegram channel linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best smart home devices on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. Pros: doubles as a smart speaker, high-tech design, intuitive controls. Cons: expensive. Key features: compatible with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and the Google Assistant. Built-in smart speaker, 3-year warranty. The Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium can monitor the temperature and the air quality. Another bit we like about the gadget is that it can also alert you upon detecting smoke and sudden temperature drops. To top things off, it has a minimalist design and super intuitive controls. With an integrated speaker and microphones, the Smart Thermostat Premium will allow you to interact with virtual assistants and play music or podcasts via a built-in speaker and microphones. Number 9. Anker Security Solo Indoor Cam P24. Pros: superb monitoring capabilities. Noise detection brings extra peace of mind. Very affordable. Cons: indoor only. Key features: compatible with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and the Google Assistant. 2 Kelvin video streaming, pan and tilt motion tracking. Anker's UFi Security Solo Indoor Cam P24 is a smart, versatile, and reasonably priced home security camera. It can pan 360 degrees and tilt vertically, so it's ideal for large spaces. It can also detect and notify you about human and pet activity and loud noises while you are away. We like that the camera can store clips locally on a microSD card or in the cloud. An onboard speaker for communicating while away rounds up the product's noteworthy features. Coming at number 8, Sonos Roam Portable Smart Speaker. Pros: excellent sound quality, waterproof design, wireless charging capable. Cons: battery life is just okay. Key features: compatible with Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant, water resistant with an IPX4 rating, up to 10 hours of battery life. The Sonos Roam is deservedly our favorite waterproof smart speaker, offering sleek and portable design and great sound at an agreeable price. In addition to Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands, the Wi-Fi equipped gadget also supports Apple AirPlay 2 wireless playback. Impressively, the Roam is compatible with Qi wireless chargers like most smartphones. Sonos offers the speaker in black, white, olive, sunset, and wave color options, with the last 3 being brand new. Coming at number 7 of August, Wi-Fi Smart Lock. Pros: sleek design, easy installation. Cons: pricey. Key features: compatible with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and the Google Assistant. Compatible with existing deadbolts. Up to 6 months of battery life. The updated August Wi-Fi Smart Lock is compatible with most deadbolts so that it can integrate just about any front door into a smart home setup. A mobile app allows you to manage access to the lock, check its usage history, and receive notifications when someone opens the door. You can even grant access to specific people while away from home. We especially like that this gadget allows you to keep your existing home keys. The Wi-Fi Smart Lock Pro is compatible with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and Google Assistant. Number 6. Philips White and Color Smart Lighting Kit. Pros: excellent lighting capabilities, easily expandable. Cons: some rivals don't require a hub. Key features: compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit. Bundled Hue Hub can control up to 50 lights. Customizable smart button. Philips Hue smart lights have always been among the industry's best, and this easy-to-install comprehensive kit is no exception. It includes a trio of light bulbs that can produce millions of colors and thousands of shades of white, allowing you to always find the perfect ambience, all with the touch of a button from its convenient app. The kit also includes a connectivity hub and a smart button. You can expand it by purchasing standalone lights. The hub supports up to 50, coming in at number 5 Kawai Airmega 250S Smart Air Purifier. Pros: understated design, convenient air quality indicator, long-lasting filter. Cons: not compatible with Apple HomeKit and Google Assistant. Key features: compatible with Amazon Alexa, multi-level filtration setup. The Kawai Airmega 250S Smart Air Purifier is also today's best. Its sophisticated filter setup allows it to remove microscopic airborne particles and pollutants in more than 900 square feet of space. You can control the air purifier via a sleek smartphone app and Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. The larger capacity Kawai Airmega 400S variant is also available, coming at number 4 Amazon Echo Smart Speaker. Pros: great sound quality, doubles as a smart home hub. Elegant. Cons: the smaller Echo Dot is available with a digital clock. Key features: built-in woofer and dual tweeters with Dolby Tech, smart home hub with Zigbee compatibility, eco-friendly design and packaging. The latest Amazon Echo is not only an excellent Alexa-powered speaker, but also a powerful smart home hub. It has a beautiful design and a surprisingly immersive sound, all at an amazing sub-$100 price point. Amazon offers the stylish fabric cover of the 4th generation Echo in charcoal, glacier white, or twilight blue. We like that the speaker is crafted from recycled aluminum, fabric, and plastics. Number 3 Robotrock S7 Robot Vacuum. Pros: versatile cleaning capabilities, excellent obstacle navigation, long battery life. Cons: no Apple HomeKit support, expensive. Key features: compatible with Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant, vacuum and mopping capabilities, up to 180 minutes of continuous cleaning time. The Roborock S7 is a sleek and quiet robot vacuum that can also mop your floors. It has sophisticated LiDAR navigation, room mapping tech, and superb cleaning capabilities. It delivers some of the best cleaning performance I've seen among robot vacuums, remarked my colleague Brandon Cart after putting the product through its paces. Impressively, the robot can clean for up to 3 hours between charges. In addition to voice commands, you can also control the Roborock S7 via a mobile app. The latter allows you to select a room for the vacuum to clean. Coming at number 2 Kasa Smart HS300 Power Strip. Pros: plenty of outlets and ports, convenient power plug, reasonably priced. Cons: no HomeKit support. Key features: compatible with Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant, 6 power outlets, 3 USB ports, space-saving power plug with angled design. The TP-Link Kasa Smart Connected Power Strip Pack, 6 individually controlled power outlets, and a trio of USB ports for charging smaller gadgets. Like all TP-Link products, the device is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. I could rename each outlet individually and ask the virtual assistant to power it on and off. It does lack Apple HomeKit support, though. The nifty gadget will allow you to keep tabs on the energy consumption of the devices it powers. Of course, as expected from a smart power strip, the product has built-in surge protection. Number 1. Apple TV 4K. Pros: the best streaming player in the business, intuitive remote control, future-proof Wi-Fi 6. Cons: no expandable storage. Key features: Apple A12 Bionic chip, 32 divided by 64 gigabytes of storage, 4K streaming, Dolby Vision, and HDR10 support. The latest Apple TV 4K is not only the best streaming player available today, but also a convenient HomeKit hub. The feature allows you to control a host of compatible home appliances with Siri voice commands. You can access the virtual assistant on any iPhone, iPad, Mac, or Apple Watch, as well as by pressing a button on the product's sleek remote control. With Apple HomeKit, you can also control connected products by swiping down to access the command center of your iPhone or iPad, as well as the Home app. The latter is available on all Apple gadgets. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best smart home devices. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.